welcome to the AI Talking Flyers class. So good to have you join us. My name is Mrs. Ajoke Maramdi, and it's such a pleasure, a great one like that, to have you join us. So to actually design with AI is a very simple thing to do. Just follow instructions, just follow my teaching. Okay. Now, basically, to give you a bit of the background, before now, if you needed to design, you actually need to learn how to use either Canva, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, or any other design tool at that. Now, I remember during COVID-19, I had taken a class, an online class just like this. And even before then, I remember back in school, back in uni, I taken a class with CorelDRAW, learning with CorelDRAW. But trust me, I didn't really take it so much seriously. I remember my trainer then telling me that design is everywhere, so you always be needed, but that was just then. But why am I telling you that background story is because what you are going to be learning today is going to be transformational. Okay, it's going to be life changing, and I want you to take it seriously. So during COVID in 2020, I remember seeing a flyer. It was even by a fashion designer, but of course she uses Canva, and she wanted to train people in Canva design, and it was 5K. And I remember paying that, and I took the class, and that was just fantastic. Now, 2 days, we had that class for 2 days, and you still need to go on to learn and just learn and learn and learn just to be perfect and be an expert. But AI has actually changed the game. Artificial intelligence has changed the game. So today, with AI, you can be an expert designer in minutes. And that's the beauty of AI. And that's what I'll be showing you in this class, in this master class. So if you are ready, I am ready. So let's take it up from here. Okay. Now, AI design and AI talking flyer is step by step. So the first thing I'm going to be teaching you is how to design using AI, how to design flyers. You can design literally anything, but in this class you'll be designing a flyer, and I'll show you in just a minute. Now, what we'll be using, the first tool, the first platform we'll be using is Pinterest. Pinterest, I know many of us are familiar with Pinterest. Let me just show us. Basically, just come to pinterest.com, and then you see tons of designs. You see what? You see tons of designs. There are quite a number of them. And why we are here is that we need a design inspiration. Okay, even in Canva, many of the templates are there. That's why you see that they are templates. For a beginner, you can just go there, edit, and make it your own. But then that's still limiting a way if you don't know what to do. But with AI, you just need a design as a template, and then you see the magic. So this is Pinterest, and what you are doing here is to get a design that you want to model after. You want your own particular design to follow as a reference. Now, I'm just going to go back to the Pinterest and come to this particular design, this UI UX design. I like it, and I want to save it. So what I'm going to do first and foremost is I'll come to this three dots here where you see more, or better still, let's come here where you see more actions. I'll click it, three dots, I'll click it, and I'll download the image. Okay, can you see? Download the image. Now, what we will then do, we downloaded this image. Now it's in our download, and the next tool is ChatGPT. The next tool we're using is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is that AI that is going to help us create our design. Now let's go to ChatGPT. We click. Now, if you don't have any account with ChatGPT, it's simple. All you have to do is come to ChatGPT and create an account to sign up. And sign up with your Google account, and then you are good to go. Now, with ChatGPT, all we have to do is, can you see the interface? So you see the new chat, search, library, apps, codecs, and more. You see ChatGPT here, you see plus. Now this is where the magic is going to happen. basically the magic is happening here. So you see, where should we begin? If I click this plus button, I'm going to attach that particular image that we just downloaded. So I'm going to click it and I will say add photos and files, upload from computer. So I'm just going to click this and I'll be able to click what we actually downloaded. Okay, so this is our download. I'm going to click this particular image and say open. So ChatGPT is going to attach that, and I've asked it anything. So what I want to do here is I want to tell ChatGPT, oh ChatGPT, you are a graphic designer, or let's say you are a world class graphic designer with over 10 years of experience in, let's say ChatGPT is an expert that has over 15 years of experience in graphic design, or let's say in designing flyers with Adobe Photoshop and CorelDRAW. Create a flyer for my AI 30 days Creator Academy. Okay, basically I want to tell ChatGPT what I want my flyer to be all about. So that's the main text: 30 days Creator Academy, or 30 days creator program or something. Just you want to tell ChatGPT what your flyer is going to be about. Brand name is Designs by Jadok. What they'll be learning. Say I want to teach people how to design flyers with AI. I write it there: design flyers with AI. Create videos with AI. Then I will say digital products. Okay, I want to also teach about automation for businesses using AI. Or let's just say AI automation for businesses. AI automation for businesses. Starting, let's say date is August 6. This is 30 days. You can say August 6 to September. I think we say September 5, thereabout, a month, or we say fee, anything. So basically, yeah, you want to give ChatGPT all the context. You know, if you want to design to you, let's say 70,000 naira. Okay. We then say 40,000 naira. 40,000 naira for the first 5 people. Then you want to give ChatGPT other details, maybe social media platforms. So you say social media platforms, we are on Instagram. You give your details, your username, Designs by Jadok. Let's say you're on Facebook, you also give all the details. Facebook, Designs by Jadok. Basically, you want to give us the context, everything you want, ChatGPT to put in your designs. Another thing is your phone number. Okay, say our phone number is, you put your number. Phone number is, you put your number there: 01401. Good. Any other details, basically. Any other details you want to put it here. And if you have a seller link, why not? You can pay your seller too. Now, so I'm just going to leave it at this. Then I'll tell ChatGPT, um, yeah, what class graphic designer would have 15 years of experience in designing flyers. Um, Using the attached flyer. So I want to tell ChatGPT that ChatGPT should use the attached flyer as a template. The attached flyer as a template. Create a flyer for my, yes. So now I want to tell ChatGPT, if I also want a lady to be holding laptop, fine. I can say in I can say add an African, or let me say Nigerian lady as a picture in the flyer. Let her hold a tablet. Okay. Make the colors attractive for people to want to buy. I'm just adding extra details basically. Um, Let there be enough white space. So the I don't want the design to be so wordy. Let there be enough white space, not too much words. Alright, let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Okay. Let's see what, if I want a particular aspect ratio, I can actually tell it, but let's just leave that this. So I'm going to say send prompt. Okay, I can send the prompt and I'll send it. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to do for us. Let's click send prompt. So ChatGPT is going to create an image for us, and voila, we have created an image, a flyer for ourselves, for our business, and we can use it to promote our trading. You can use it for your business. And the funny thing is, the moment you have all of these details at once saved, you can always copy and paste into ChatGPT. You don't have to type in at every instance. So now ChatGPT is going to give us our design, setting the scene. Let us see what it's going to give us and how beautiful a design will be. So even if you've not designed anything before, just follow these steps and you'll be able to come up with an amazing design. Okay, let's see. This is one method that will not fail. This is one method that will work. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. So the next step is actually to then make this flyer talk, and you'll be seeing that subsequently. Now, what you will do for me is, it's not just to watch. I want you to watch and recreate. Do your own design. Make your flyers to then talk. So on the WhatsApp group, send in your assignment, send in your own flyers, and I'll be there to actually give my comments. Okay, can you see what our AI has given? Is this not beautiful? It is. It is. So you see designs by Jalof, you see create, automate, and now you see AI 30 Days Creator Academy. So beautiful. If I post this on my Instagram or on my Facebook or WhatsApp, people will actually pay me. This is beautiful. Now, one great thing again is because I remember then, when I used to give out my designs to a graphic designer to design for me. And by the way, I'm a fashion designer, so I have reasons to actually design in my business. So I remember there will be days I will go to him after he has done the first draft, he has designed it. If I'm not with him, he send it to me on phone. And if I have anything to edit, I'll say, let's remove this one, let's add this one, let's do this one, let's do this one. Alright? It's the same thing with AI. If I don't like what it has given me, I'll just come here, come to this edit button, click it, and describe anything you want it to edit. Say you don't like the image of this lady, you can say, let's use my own image. So I'm going to come to this plus button and look for my own image. Let's look for an image that will be ours. for our own image. So I want to say we should let's attach this. Or better still, let's say we want to use this. Let's say okay. I will prompt it and say use the attached image to be the one on the flyer. Okay, let's try that. So I'm going to send it and it's going to give me. Now I can even tell it to then make the image hold a tablet or a phone or a laptop. It can be that it can be that amazing. Okay, but I'm going to leave it at this. You can try out other things, be creative and you see what you'll be able to achieve. All right, I don't want this particular one to be so long so that you can understand and practice. So I'm just going to show us another edit here and then we'll take it up from there. I will be looking forward to our own designs. I cannot even wait. I cannot wait to see the amazing things you are going to do. Okay, all right, so it's adding the final touches, adding final touches, adding final touches, adding final touches. So don't forget, for your questions, drop them on the WhatsApp group. Now, all the prompts that you need will be in the prompt channel. So there is a WhatsApp channel. If you join the WhatsApp group, you see the channel in the description of the WhatsApp group. So just join the channel. You'll be able to access all the prompts I will be using for this class. The prompts will actually help you to just come copy and paste and edit, depending on what you want to do for your business or a design that you want to do. All right, so it's doing its job. So in minutes, can you say how you can actually design in minutes? Literally, what would have cost us thousands of naira? Thousands of naira. We are literally doing it by ourselves. And you can design as many as possible. You don't have to wait for any designer now to do your designs for you. So it's tweaking it. One last week, let's see the magic that AI is going to perform for us. Let's see the magic. Now, aside from ChatGPT, there are other things you can actually use. There are other things you can actually use. Okay. Can you see what it has done for us? It basically not just adding the image. So if you look at it, he edited just a little bit. So down you can see build skills, make money. This is fantastic. Now, one more thing before I hit this particular one. If I come again to this particular image that we have done, if I say I want to edit something, look up here, you see comment, you see aspect ratio, you see share, you see this button. With this button I can download. Now this aspect ratio, let me quickly show you the magic. So with this aspect ratio, if you click it, you can actually change this image and get a different aspect ratio. But what it is now, it is 9:16. Let's say I want to use this image as a thumbnail for my YouTube channel, or maybe I want to do a video on YouTube. What I'll just come is I'll do a wide screen 16:9. This one is YouTube. If I want it to just be square, I'll say 1:1 and to give me a square. All right, so let's try. We'll try square and maybe we'll call it a day with that. So can you see it's going to edit it and give us to be in a square format, and that is fantastic. Even on Canva, if you needed to do it yourself, you need to start rearranging your design from scratch, especially if you are not on the pay plan. But this is what we are getting with the help of AI. So this is how to create designs for your business. This is how to create designs. It doesn't matter what the design you want to create it. Even if you want to create for a birthday flyer or a church flyer, or think of the flyer. Think of the flyer. There's nothing you cannot create with AI. Even as a beginner, you don't have to know the all the terminologies, or the just come with your simple English. Tell AI what you want to do, and AI is going to perform the magic for you. So it's doing its job now. Let's see what it's going to give us, and then don't forget, like I said, if you have questions, drop it on the main WhatsApp group, and I'll be there to answer your questions. I cannot wait to see your creations. Let's see what you're going to give us. Let's see what you're going to give us. Let's see what you're going to make. Can't even wait. Right? So it's doing its magic. It's doing its magic. It's magic. It's magic. Now it's doing its magic. Let's just wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. You see what it's going to give us. It's just rearranging. 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 So welcome again to the class. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So good to have you join us. It's super, super amazing to have you join us. People that came from Facebook, you're welcome. You joined from my WhatsApp status, and you say you are welcome. All right. Hmm? Mo ti ẹ̀ ti pọ̀ sẹ́gun. Ó dà kó ti. Ẹ ti géètì kan tẹ́mi gan fẹ́ sọ. Mo á rò pé kí n parí eléyìí náà. Pé kí n wá sẹ́yìn di fídíò tí n bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa. Okay, àwọn ilé ìfọ̀sà ìdí ìkọ̀gbọ̀n. Okay, can you see what it has done for us? It has given us the version that is one by one. So I'm just going to download this. Let's download this. I'll go download the other one too that we add in the first instance. I'll download it. I'll also come download this first one. So it depends on the one you want. And we've come to the end of this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.